Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making crispy toasted coconut flakes from dried coconuts. This is our ingredients for today's toasted coconut flakes, as well as the tools you need to get it done. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. This is our dried coconut. We are going to crack it into pieces like this, reserve the juice, and then we move on to grating with our grater here. We are going to grate so this is the grated coconut. We're going to spread it onto a baking sheet with the parchment paper, and then we'll toast it in the oven for a few minutes. It can burn slightly, so if you don't take your time and then you leave it in the oven, it's going to get burnt. This is the shredded coconut, so we are going to place it into our oven. This is our toasted coconut. So we are going to place it onto our cooling rack here for it to cool completely, and then we'll use it for cake decoration so that you see how it looks like. I'll cover the sides of the cake with our toasted coconuts. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.